Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find multifamily properties in batch leads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find multifamily properties in batch leads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, or maybe you're a real estate investor, there's no sense in wasting your advertising budget on homes that you're not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your batch leads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my batch leads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of multifamily properties, first you're going to click on this little pin marker here on the left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to need to choose your farming area. So this could be a county, it could be a zip code, it could be a city. So since you're searching for multifamily properties, there's going to be less inventory. So sometimes you're going to have to zoom all the way out to the county level, but that really depends on the market you're working in. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just enter in a zip code. Let's do 90815. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the farming area. Okay, once you do that, batch leads going to let you know how many properties in total they have logged for that area. So we're working with about 103,000 properties. Now, next, to filter these out by multifamily properties, you're going to click here on all filters. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this list, and you want to click here on property characteristics. Once you do that, you're going to click here on property classification. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click here on residential. Okay, you can see it start filtering out. So now we're working with 97,000 properties, but you want to be sure to click right here, property type. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these options, and you want to click here on multifamily 2 to 4. And if you want to include, you can include 5+ units. That really depends on what your strategy is. Just note that 5+ units usually have different lending guidelines. So I'm going to leave it at 2 to 4 units. And as you can see right here, it filters out to about 12,000 multifamily properties in this particular zip code. So for me personally, that's a huge list of multifamily properties. So I'm usually going to go ahead and filter that down even more, but that's going to depend on your strategy. So for example, I'm always going to go ahead and look for off-market properties. So I'll click here off market. Also under ownership info, I'm going to click here. I like to buy from individual. So I'll click here on individual. And then after that, you can go and sort these by valuation. So estimated value. If you're not buying multi-dollar properties, maybe you can go ahead and put a maximum at, let's say 1 million in this particular zip code. Okay. So now we've dropped it down to about 2,000 properties. So once you have the list size that is sufficient for your business, click right here, see properties. Okay. Now you can see these are all multifamily properties in this particular zip code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of multifamily properties in your batch leads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.